Uh, Here is some small pocket tools. This one is actually a pocket tool. It's like a card size, credit card size. You can buy this from eBay for only $1 maybe. This is a tool size of key. It has various tools. First we talk about this card type multi-card tool. It has a knife edge. You can use to peel off some fruits, and this side has a flat edge like a flat screwdriver, and you have a ruler here to measure something, and these are for extracting nuts, and this is also for the purpose of cutting. I bought this 2 years before, but it still is very usable. And this is stainless steel, but if you use this uncarelessly, it will take rust. This is not stainless steel, but it has printed that stainless steel, but it's not right. This is the key. It has the Swiss Tech utility key printed on it. When we fix this like this, you can use this as a star screwdriver. This is the point. You can use to remove one star screw. And this is for the bottle opener, and this side we have a knife. This is very sharp. We can use to peel off some fruits or use to cut some strings. If you want to use use to remove flat screws, we can use this side. It is not sharp, but I have used this side to remove flat screws. I bought this before 1 year. I think this is stainless steel. There is no any evidence that this may get rust. Actually, I like this. This is about $1 from eBay.